Hey, what's up everyone? It's your man Charlie Anthony and I'm back with another FYI DIY video. And today I am going to be getting this xpipe installed. So as you know, I already have the two Borla mufflers, the Borla ProXS mufflers, and I have the mid-muffler delete on my 2013 Durango. So this is going to be the next addition to it. Let's see how this sounds. I'm here over at Meineke on Tonnelle Avenue in Jersey City. This is where they do all my work here. So stay tuned and we're gonna get this thing rocking. Pretty much this is going to be the spot where the xpipe is going to go. Don't mind the rust. This is a 2013. This thing has been through it and back. The world famous Amir. Definitely a difference. Definitely sounding nice. You guys need work? Gotta check this man out here, Samir. There goes the big man himself over there, Sam. Sam, say hello to everyone. And this is Meineke here on Tonnelle Avenue in Jersey City. These guys do great work. I've been coming to them for over 20 years. Getting a roll out. And you can definitely feel the difference on it. So any of you are thinking about getting the xpipe, definitely go ahead and do it. I recommend it. It's your man Charlie Anthony. back with another FYI DIY video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Definitely a difference.